Hi friends! I hope everyone is having an amazing Monday. I am super excited because tomorrow, February 13th, we are launching a new and improved sillyfarm.com. This has been kind of 2 years in the making, and it is so much work to create a new website. But it's really important that we listen to our customers, that we improve the overall shopping experience, that we make our store easy and fun to look at. So with that in mind, I wanted to make a quick little video and explain some of the new features on the site. Kind of stress the fact that if you have a wish list sitting in the current site, to just take a screen capture of it and save it, because tonight when we migrate the site over and you log in tomorrow, or you head to sillyfarm.com tomorrow, your accounts will no longer be there. So, one, don't panic. We keep track of all of your orders on our external processor too. So if you need it for tax purposes, don't worry. We have a copy. All you have to do is email us. So we do encourage you to start a new account tomorrow. You're going to log in, and a couple of reasons you want to do that is because we have a rewards program and a referral program and a brand new wish list. And as part of us paying it forward and just sharing the love for 15 years of love, support towards Silly Farm, we are going to be picking people and filling their wish lists. Okay, so it's important that when you log in tomorrow and you create a brand new account, that you give us new information, update your address, update your email addresses, so that we can make sure to connect with you the right way. We are all about taking care of you and making your shopping experience better. My favorite store is Publix, where the slogan is, where shopping is a pleasure, and I live by that, and I try to carry it over to sillyfarm.com. So I'm going to take you on a sneak peek of the new website so you can see it first and foremost, and I'm going to explain a few features because a few things change. And these changes maybe will take a little bit of a while to get used to, but in the long run, I think they're going to help you to check out faster, to find the products you're looking for better, and to just navigate the site a little bit better. So thank you guys for watching me today. Stay tuned for tomorrow. We are going to be doing live auctions. We're going to be filling wish lists, so you got to make sure to fill up your wish list. It's just going to be a fun day because I love Valentine's Day, I love the month of February, and I love Silly Farm, and I love you guys. So thank you for watching, and help me just take a sneak peek at our new website. I hope you enjoy. This is a sneak peek of the brand new and improved sillyfarm.com. So as always, my focus when creating a web shop is to highlight all the amazing, beautiful products, and of course, show you guys' artwork off. As you can see, this is a placeholder banner for Cameron Garrett and her cakes. Those are old cakes. I'm sure she has new ones on the way, but I love, love, love to show off different artists. So if you have artwork that you would like to see displayed here on the front page of Silly Farm, send it over. Send it to Heather at sillyfarm.com. I love showing you guys off, and I'm going to show you where on the site I get to show you off each and every day. All right, so this is the new front page. This is what we call our home page. So at the top right here, you're going to find the quick links to our Facebook page, our Twitter, Instagram, our blog, Pinterest, and of course my YouTube channel with over 300 free videos. So if you're not checking me out on YouTube, please go ahead, subscribe, then you get access to all those fun free videos. So up here is where it's displayed the currency. Since we're located in the United States, naturally we're going to be default mode, which is United States dollars, but you can change it to euros, to pounds, to whichever your currency is, so that you can see the prices, but effectively you will check out in United States dollars. Up here is where you create your wish list and also your account. I can't stress it enough how important it is to create an account. 1, to save you time, 2, to save you time, and 3, to save you time. All your information will be stored there so that you can check out faster and have accurate record keeping for taxes, which is always super important. But if you happen to create several accounts, that's okay too. Don't stress your life away. We can always always consolidate them and send you over a statement of accounts for your taxes. If you need to reach us, this is our phone numbers. You can call us anytime. If you want to chat with us, that's what this little red tab is. It doesn't go anywhere, so don't stress out. Another new fun feature is earn rewards. Yay! Let's see if this one is plugged in. Okay, so we have a brand new rewards program. So you're going to earn points with every purchase. You can earn points by referring us to a friend. You can get points by just creating a brand new account. So make sure that you look for this pink button at the bottom of the page and create an account so that you too can start earning rewards for doing what you already love doing, which is shopping. I love shopping. That's right. Okay, so you need to reach us. It's up here. If you want to check us out socially, we're here. Here's live time chat. You're going to chat with either me, Ashley, Michelle, Vanessa, Christy. We have a lot of great people waiting to help you guys. Okay, so you have a couple of ways to shop on our site. This area are quick links, okay? So if you want to jump directly to shop by brand or shop by type or just bestsellers, you can use these quick links. Okay, so these are all active for you. And here are just some products we like to show off. And to add some color and sales to your inbox. Super important, guys. We love to reach out to you. We love to send you coupons and specials and let you know when we're going to be teaching classes in your area. So please make sure that you're part of our mailing list. That way we can keep in touch with you. And I promise we will never sell your information. We value you as customers. So for me, I wouldn't want to sell your information to anybody because I want you to know how important you are to me. If you plan on visiting us, here is our address with a little map. We're inside of a plaza right off the highway. You can come and shop the store, meet us, say hi, take pictures here. We encourage you to come. If you didn't already know, these are our other companies. These are my little silly farm empire is what I like to call it. Faba TV is, of course, our nonstop learning channel. And the convention, many of you have come and supported us over the last 15 years, and we're grateful. For those of you who are into cosplay and special effects enthusiasts, we have a site just for that called FX Cosplay. And that way you can get your cosplay on. And Silly Face Fun. So for those of you that do fundraisers, large volume face painting, we have a site just dedicated to that to promote our Silly Face Fun kits so that you don't get too overwhelmed on the Silly Farm site. And last but not least, My Fab Events. We are always looking for nationwide talent. So I'll do a video later on about it, but that is our events company, and we love to give you jobs. Besides you guys coming and shopping with us, we like to pay it forward by booking you guys and giving you work. So for the people and painters and balloon artists and creators that have worked for us through Fab Events, we thank you, and we look forward to an even bigger 2018, doing more jobs together. Okay, so here's some quick links if you want to know about our YouTube channel, or if you want to know about our return and exchange policy, how to contact us, about us. The About Us page, look at Max, so nice and handsome. That's me. But here's some information about us, about how I started the company, just in case you wanted to know. And of course, all the crazy farmers who work here can get to know us, put faces with names. That's always important as well. So, back to shopping. So you can always get back to the home page by clicking Silly Farm. Okay, if you click on this Silly Farm icon, you can always get back to the home page. So on our last site, there was a navigation on the left side right here. So that's how you were able to shop, by just doing a drop-down menu on the side. We no longer have that. So your ways to shop are going to be quick links down here, or the navigation across the top, which will remain that way no matter what page you're on the site. So face and body paint, that's what we're known for. You have a couple of ways to shop. You can shop by brand. You can shop by type. You can shop directly, jump to Artie and Rainbow Cakes. we compiled a list of bestsellers for you because many times you want to know what's everybody into. And this section updates monthly, so you'll be able to figure out which products you definitely want to have this month. We separated all the kits and palettes for you. Just to make it a lot easier to jump to global palettes, wolf palettes, rainbow and arty cakes. So you're going to do the bulk of your shopping or the bulk of your jumping around and navigating through the site through the top navigation, okay? So we've also improved our search feature. So to keep that in mind, instead of using and relying on breadcrumbs or a side navigation, now you're going to be able to use the search feature a lot more effectively. So let me just take you through a quick run through. So if we're going to shop by brand, you can either jump to the different products, which are fab, glitter, etc., or you can just click on the Silly Farm button, and that is going to take you to a page that has my picture on it, which is so weird for me. Oh my gosh. I'm not the designer of every banner, but I am the creator of Silly Farm and all of our products, so I'm assuming that's why my graphic artist wanted to use my face. So it will bring you to a catalog page, and that will list all of the Silly Farm products that we carry under the brand Silly Farm. So you can jump directly to Fab Paint, you can go to glitters, you can go to our kits and palettes, our brushes. All of the products created by Silly Farm will be under this category. So, excuse me if the internet is really slow. That's why it's taking a moment to load. We're deep in the dungeon of Faba TV, so our Wi-Fi signal isn't as strong over here. But, okay, so once you click on a Silly Farm or you click on a catalog page, you are going to have thumbnails where you can filter out the products, but they will also all be listed at the bottom. And you can begin filtering them on the side as well. So we made it really easy in the sense that you can filter here or you can filter here, and makes just finding what you're looking for a lot easier. You can filter by color. You can filter by holiday. You won't necessarily, if you're in a catalog page, need to filter by vendor since you would be under a Silly Farm page. So if you wanted to jump strictly to Mama Clown Glitter, you would just click on the Mama Clown Glitter tab. And then from there, you'll be able to use your side filters to filter the glitters by best for glitter tattoos, best for face painting, loose glitter, UV neon glitter. And this will give you the opportunity to single out what you're looking for. So now you're saying, okay, I've just shopped some fabulous Mama Clown glitter. Where do I go next? What if I want brushes? What if I want face paint? What if I need a kit? So now that you've shopped glitter and you're ready to keep on shopping, you have a couple of options. Either you can go back to this main navigation and just start shopping for brushes and shopping for airbrush and face painting stencils, or more glitter and more bling. You have tons of different options in terms of where do you want to go. You can shop from here, you can shop henna, you can shop balloons, you can shop special effects, holidays. The sales will be right there. There's Faba TV products, so you can jump around there, or you can just use our search feature. So Diva stencils are going to be brand new to Silly Farm. I'm so excited to be carrying the Diva stencil line. They're really beautiful. Lots of them are very intricate and beautiful. So if you wanted to search for Diva stencils, you can just type in Diva and it is going to populate a bunch of the Diva products. So it brings me to the next awesome feature. I love showing off art. I love face and body art. And for me, being able to showcase all the amazing face painters across the universe just gets me really excited. So you guys are going to see a lot of your artwork on these banners. I designed it that way because I want to, one, show you off, see Nancy Wu, but two, just show what an amazing talent industry we have. And for me, that I get to do that by showing you off on our artwork. So as you browse the site, you might see your art here. I try to surprise a lot of you guys, and if I if I didn't give the proper credits, just email me, say, Heather, please can you update this with my website, or update this with my name or a correct spelling, and I will do it right away. And hopefully you'll get excited by seeing your work. So there's one way that I get to show you off on the website, but here's another. So if you click on any product, these are called product pages. I'm going to try to find a product page that has some secondary images. I'll go to the Rainbow Cake pages because I'm sure I have tons of Lenore's pictures. But right underneath the popular products that might interest you, we also have your Share Your Look. And these pictures are populated from people who use the hashtag SillyFarm. And we search the internet for you guys. And this is our way of showing you guys off. So please, 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 if you want to get your pictures noticed, if you want to be to share your artwork, make sure to hashtag SillyFarm. It helps us. It helps you. We get to display you on our website. Look at this. And it links directly to you. So if you want to get more followers and you want to share your art, we have close to 30,000 followers on Instagram and almost 40,000 on Facebook and 35,000 on YouTube. This is our way to give back to you by sharing your talent. So please do not forget to hashtag SillyFarm so we can get you on our pages and show you off. I'm proud of you guys. I'm proud of how far our industry has come. So please, please, please keep on hashtagging us. We appreciate it. We love it. So not only are we showcasing you down here in the Share Your Look, we are also showcasing much of your artwork on the actual product pages. And my goal is to show off how amazing each of your artwork is. So if you have pictures of you guys using our products or pictures that you would like us to display on the website, please send them over to me. Send them to heather@sillyfarm.com. Nothing makes me happier than being able to show you guys off. At the end of the day, we're all artists, and by sharing is how we've gotten this far. So for me, when I get to see your artwork, I'm so incredibly happy to see it in action, and to be able to show it off, because it's literally just, it makes me proud. So some new fun, exciting things to mention about the website is we are now carrying Diamond FX. If there is products that you want us to carry that we're missing, that you don't see on our website, please, please, please send me a line. This store is a store for painters by painters. So when I carry products, I do it to make sure that I'm servicing our industry the best way possible. So we're excited that we're carrying Diamond FX. We're increasing our line of fab paints. We're proud to be supporters and carriers of all these amazing brands who have been with us over the years. And we hope to do their products even more justice by making it even better, faster, and easier to shop with us. So I hope you enjoyed this little sneak preview of the new and improved SillyFarm. Please, 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 if you have a moment today, if you have anything left in your shopping cart, if you have anything left in your wish list, just save it. Take a screen capture. That way you'll have it when you need it, and you can just go in starting tonight at midnight or tomorrow. Click right here to create an account, and then you'll also sign up for your rewards, and you will get registered, and we will be picking some wish lists this weekend and we are going to be randomly filling them. So we're just going to start gifting people a bunch of things this weekend to share the love. So we thank you, everyone. I appreciate the patience and the support. I hope you enjoy the new website, and I look forward to hearing from you soon. All right, everybody, have a wonderful day and have fun shopping. SillyFarm.